Netmirror is marketed as a smarter way to stream, promising free access to Netflix, Disney Plus, and other paid platforms. But that claim itself is a red flag. Legitimate apps don't bypass subscriptions. Using Netmirror puts you at risk of phishing, where your login or payment details could be stolen, and the streams themselves are unreliable or pirated. In short, Netmirror is risky and not a trustworthy streaming solution. The safer choice is to stick with official streaming services or legal bundles that guarantee both quality and security. So, this one, please avoid it. If your friend recommends it to you, do not install or download it. Um, this will most probably extract your sensitive data or private data. Right now, it's on Google Play Store. I don't know how did this app was published here. So basically, it was updated just on April 1, 2026. So if you see this app on the Google Play, if it's recommended to you, do not hit install.